Summer Madness, Double Impact. These marquee events are at the forefront of our culture. However, they've given little or no opportunity to female MCs. Queen of the Ring, the biggest platform in the world for female battle rap, has been the leading force to provide opportunity for some of the culture's best talent. Queen of the Ring also happens to be an all-female league. While they've had talent from the URL make appearances in their arena, the goal has always been to showcase the ladies. The Ultimate Rap League, the toughest environment in the world for MC battling. This battlefield is all about who is the best and who can survive. With just a few matchup announcements, Summer Impact is shaping up to be one of the biggest events in battle rap history. Now, it's time to make it even bigger as the ladies make their return to URL. Two respected lyricists. One has performed on URL in the past, while the other will appear for the very first time.
You can keep me down.
You ain't tough or bad. If I scream, your jaw probably breaks. Fucking glass, one wrong word out of your mouth. Watch me up in spaz, buck 50 across your face. Let's cut the JAZ with this drum.
You gotta stand up to E-HART. She's a bully. What? She's the first one to win on URL as a female, period.
I'm coming back for more.
Finally, URL spending time with me. Bars, bitch. Smack, you got the queen getting ready to grace the world's most respected stage? You fucking kid. Listen, TOQ's in the fucking building. Summer Impact. Get fucking ready, yo. Bars, bitch.
Both of these highly revered MCs have been heavily requested to make their return to the world's most respected. But this time, they return together as one force.
You can stop already, Papa Gun. I'm too afraid to even pop your cherry.
I'm back on the URL stage. I missed y'all, and I ain't coming back to play with none of these bitches. 40 bars, I've been wanting to kill this bitch for years. E-HART, been need to get 3 rounds out of me. Let's see if she can make it out this shit alive.
I've been seeing all the tweets, the posts, the comments like, we miss you. Female battle rap ain't the same since you been gone. What's up? I had the first female battle on Summer Madness. I'm about to have the first female 2-on-2 on Smack. Every time I do something, it's history. Some people say I lost it. Well, I'm back.
I'll be counting the days down. Well, my cherry got popped, so what these bitches gonna say now?
E-HART and 40 Bars versus JAZ the Rapper and Official. And for an event of this magnitude, URL has secured the perfect place to view the battle. The Fillmore, this massive performance space, has played host to some of the music industry's biggest names, such as T.I., Meek Mill, Wiz Khalifa, J. Cole, Rick Ross, and many, many more. Now, URL pushes the culture forward by invading this iconic venue with the biggest names in the MC battle culture on battle rap's biggest event of the year, URL's Summer Impact. It all goes down Saturday, August the 10th, the Fillmore, 820 Hamilton Street, Charlotte, North Carolina. Tickets are on sale Friday, June the 14th. Make sure you get them quickly. They will sell out. URLs, Summer Impact. URL, the worldwide leaders of MC battle culture. You can't copy, respect.